Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to mute or unmute your microphone on a Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. So let's start with F1 function key on your laptop, which we can use to mute or unmute the microphone by holding down the F1 button and pressing the F1 along with it, which will result in muting or unmuting your microphone in case you have a supported application opened on your laptop. So yeah, this is not a universal function, and if you want to fully mute your microphone instead, you're gonna have to open the start menu, go to settings, then go to system on the sidebar, then select sound in here, and then go to input. Here you'll find your microphone array. But basically, right from here, this menu, we can just click on the microphone icon in order to mute the microphone, and then click this icon once again to unmute it. And the other way to mute or unmute your microphone is by going to privacy and security settings and restricting the applications that can the application's microphone usage. To do that, we're gonna have to scroll down to microphone right here, open this menu, and then disable microphone access for all applications or for specific ones using this toggles. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.